Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so I have a couple of reminders for you, and we're going to start out with tomorrow. So tomorrow's the 10th, and at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Decorator Hutch collaboration. Now also remember that if you don't have a hutch, you can use a bookcase or any shelf in your home. Let's move on to the next one. Now we know that on the 12th is Tablescape Tuesdays. There is no guest this week, so let's move on to the 13th. Okay, so we have Refresh and Organize at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so we have the Styling My Way collaboration on the 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do have a special guest coming in, and that's Pure Elegance by Kim, and the theme is Shades of Neutral. Now we're going to go over to the 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have the Decorator Lantern collaboration. I'm so excited for all these collaborations. The theme for the Decorator Lantern is sunflowers, and again, that's on the 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I got a lot of work to do this week. All right, guys, have an amazing day. I hope to see you in all these collaborations, and God bless you. Amen.